Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what movie you want to watch next? Or how self-driving cars navigate busy streets? The answer is artificial intelligence. But did you know that not all AI is created equal? Scientists group AI into different types based on what it can do and how it works. In this video, we're breaking down the types of AI into simple, easy-to-understand concepts. Let's dive in. First up is narrow AI, also known as weak AI. Don't let the word weak fool you, this is the only type of AI that actually exists today. Narrow AI is designed to excel at just one specific task. For example, streaming platforms like Netflix use narrow AI to analyze your viewing history and instantly recommend movies tailored to your personal tastes. Siri uses it to understand your voice, and spam filters use it to clear your inbox. Narrow AI is super smart at its main job, but it can't do anything outside of its specialty. Now, let's look at how AI functions under the hood. The simplest functional type is called a reactive machine. These systems don't have any memory of past events and cannot learn from experience. They simply look at current data and react in real time. A famous example is IBM's Deep Blue, the chess-playing computer that beat world champion Garry Kasparov in the 1990s. Deep Blue evaluated board positions instantly, but it couldn't remember its previous games. Next in functionality is limited memory AI. Unlike reactive machines, these systems can look back at past data to make better decisions today. Most modern AI uses limited memory. Think about autonomous vehicles like self-driving cars. They store short-term data like the speed of nearby vehicles, road lines, and traffic signals over a short period to steer safely. What about the future? That brings us to General AI, or AGI for short. General AI is a future concept where a machine could learn, reason, and solve problems across many different fields just like a human. Instead of just playing chess or recommending movies, an AGI could learn to write an essay, paint a picture, build a chair, and chat with you effortlessly. Right now, AGI is purely theoretical and does not exist yet. Step even further into the future, and you get artificial superintelligence, or super AI. This refers to a hypothetical future state where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence and abilities in every single way. We're talking about a machine with superior creativity, general wisdom, and social skills. It sounds like science fiction because, for now, it is. Looking ahead functionally, researchers talk about theory of mind AI and self-aware AI. Theory of mind AI would understand human emotions, beliefs, and social cues to interact naturally with us. Self-aware AI would take it even further, having its own consciousness, feelings, and self-identity. Both of these are still purely theoretical concepts. To wrap it all up, today's world runs entirely on narrow AI with reactive and limited memory features. In the future, we might see general AI and super AI emerge. Understanding these categories helps us separate real technology from science fiction. Which type of AI excites or worries you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.